go, guys. Don't go too fast. It's a no wake zone. It's a no wake zone. You're gonna hold on tight, girl. No, we gotta pass the red roof. There's the sheriff right there. You gotta get past the red roof. You better hold on tight, Chloe. They're gonna spray us. You better hold on real tight. I don't want to lose you. Oh, you do? They spraying us. Let's go to the middle. Let's get away from it. You better get ready. When we get past that red roof, we're gonna go. You better not fall off. You ready to go? I'm getting soaking wet. Here, get in the front of me. Come here, get in the front of me, quick. I like you in the front. Hi! Where you going, 52? 52. Hey, slow it down, I don't want to hit him. I can barely feel you. Look at them jumping waves. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! 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 There's that engine's going so slow. Look at it. Engine! Woo! we throw water on engine. Hold on, don't let go. yell at me. You want to get in the front? You want to get in front of me? You do? Yeah. Come on. Did a shark get you? What did he say?
Huh?
What did he say?
People.
Oh yeah? If you go behind the boats and jump their waves, you could get high. When the boat goes by, jump its wave, you'll go up in the air, man.
Daddy, do that. Do that.
I don't even know how many miles we are away from the place. I think I see the bridge. We're not that far away. Let's race back. Ready? We beat them. That was pretty fun, right?
How was jet skis, y'all? How was jet skis?
Awesome. I love jet skis.
Jet skis are awesome. Jet skis were great, right, Zach?